Hello everyone, my name is Simran and I'm going to teach you mathematics. Students, in the last class we have already completed our chapter number 5. Okay, so today we'll be doing the 6th chapter. Okay, what is the 6th chapter, students? Triangle and its properties. Okay, students, so we'll learn about the triangles and what are the properties that a triangle is having. Okay, we'll be going to learn these concepts. Okay, students, so first we are going to discuss what is a triangle, students. Triangle, something very clear from its name, triangle. It means that it is something that is having 3 angles. Tri means 3, so 3 angles. So a figure in which 3 angles are there in a closed figure is called a triangle. Okay, students, so basically triangle is something that has 3 line segments. Okay, it has 3 angles and it has 3 vertices. Okay, students, so what is a triangle? Triangle you have seen, right? For example, students, this is a triangle, right? So a triangle you have seen is a simple closed curve. It is a closed curve. Okay, every endpoint is closed. Okay, students, made up of 3 line segments. This is first line segment, this is second line segment, and this one is the third line segment. Okay, students, so it has 3 vertices. Vertices means this point, and this point. These are the vertices. Vertices where 2 line segments meet, students. Okay, and it has 3 sides. Okay, sides means line segments, right, students? And it has 3 angles. Angles that are made when 2 lines or line segments are joining. Okay, students, so first angle, second angle, and third angle. Okay, students, so this is what a triangle is all about. Okay, students, now students, triangle, have a look at this triangle, students. This is A point, B point, and C point. Okay, and this complete triangle is called triangle ABC. Okay, students, this is the symbol of writing a triangle. Okay, students, this is the symbol of writing triangle. Symbol of triangle. If you have not mentioned this symbol, how can you say that you are writing any triangle? Okay, by writing it like triangle ABC. Okay, but if we are using this symbol, then it is understood that we are talking about triangle ABC. Okay, students, now this is our triangle ABC. In this triangle, students, there are 3 line segments, right? What are the line segments? This AC, okay, BC, and students, this AB. So it has 3 line segments. Okay, students, that are called the sides. Okay, and we have discussed in the previous chapter how we represent the line segment by using this symbol. Okay, why? Because students, we know that when we are talking about the line segment, then it has 2 endpoints. Okay, students, so we'll represent the sides by this thing. Okay, students, now if I'm talking about the vertices, A is the vertex, B is the vertex, and C is the vertex. So vertices are A, B, and C. Okay, students, now students, if I'm talking about the angles, starting from the angles, firstly BAC, BAC. Okay, this is the first angle. Okay, now students, ABC, this is the second angle, and now BCA, this is the third angle. So basically एक triangle के अंदर 3 angles होंगे, 3 sides होंगी और 3 vertices होंगी. Okay, students, so ये तीनों conditions होती हैं एक triangle की. Okay, students, now we'll be discussing about how can we classify the triangle. So students, we can classify the triangles based upon 2 categories. Firstly, we are going to classify the triangle on the basis of the sides. Okay, students, if on the basis of sides, if I have to say how many types of triangles are there, students, then I answer 3 types of triangles are there. Okay, students, so on the basis of classification, we will classify the triangle based upon sides and based upon angles. Okay, students, So firstly, based upon sides, if I'm talking about sides, then triangles are of three types: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. Okay students, have a look. Scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangles. Okay students, if I'm talking about equilateral triangle, students, it is very clear from its name. All the sides of the triangle are equal to each other. Okay students, so that is why it is called equilateral triangle. Students, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि equilateral triangle के अंदर की सभी sides आपस में equal होती हैं. Okay students, what do you mean by isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle has two sides equal and the third side is dissimilar to the rest of the two sides. मतलब वो triangle जिसमें किन्हीं तीन साइड में कोई दो साइड आपस में इक्वल हो और एक साइड अनइक्वल हो. ओके, सो वो ट्राइंगल कौन सा बनता है? आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्केलेन ट्राइंगल स्टूडेंट्स, तो इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल में सभी ट्राइंगल्स के साइड्स बराबर हुए. ओके, आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल में ट्राइंगल के दो साइड्स इक्वल हुए, लेकिन स्केलेन ट्राइंगल के अंदर ट्राइंगल की तीनों साइड आपस में अनइक्वल होती हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so all the sides of the triangle are unequal to each other if you are talking about scalene triangle. Okay students, so we can classify the triangle based upon side in three categories: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. Okay students, now students, if I'm talking about based on angles, so based upon angles the triangles can be classified as three types. Okay students, what are those three types of triangles if you're talking about the classification based upon angles? So students, triangles are obtuse angle triangle, acute angle triangle, and right angle triangle. Okay students, so firstly I'm going to tell you about acute angle triangle. Okay students, if I'm talking about acute angle triangle, very clear from its name, acute angle triangle. So वो ट्राइंगल जिसमें सभी के सभी एंगल्स क्या होते हैं? एक्यूट होते हैं, मतलब 90 डिग्री से कम होते हैं. उन ट्राइंगल्स को क्या बोलते हैं? acute angle triangles. Okay, very simple. Okay, from its name we can say acute angle triangle. The triangle in which all the angles are acute are called acute angle triangle. Okay, so next, the triangle in which one angle is obtuse angle, that is greater than that of 90 degree, then that particular triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. Students, so वो triangle जिसमें कोई भी एक एंगल अगर 90 डिग्री से बड़ा हो जाए, मतलब obtuse angle हो जाए, तो उस केस में उस triangle को हम क्या बोलेंगे? obtuse angle triangle. Students, and the last part students, right angle triangle. right angle triangle क्या होता है students? वो triangle जिसमें कोई भी एक एंगल 90 डिग्री का बने. Okay, so students, the triangle in which one angle formed is of 90 degree is called right angle triangle. Okay students, so have a look at based upon sides. Students, for example, this is a equilateral triangle. Okay, now students, this is, for example, these two are equal and it is unequal, and in this all the sides are equal, then it is equilateral. Okay, then this is equilateral triangle. And what is this? To any two sides are equal, so this is isosceles. Okay students, now if I'm talking about the scalene triangle, anything you want. Okay, so this is scalene triangle, because in this every side is unequal to each other. Okay students, now if I'm talking about the angles, okay, the triangle based upon the angle, students, so the acute angle triangle is this one. Okay, we can clearly observe that all the angles formed are less than that of 90 degree. Okay students, when I'm talking about obtuse angle triangle, students, have a look. This angle made is greater than that of 90 degree, so this is called obtuse angle triangle. Okay, okay, this is obtuse and this is acute. And if I'm talking about the right angle triangle, students, then this is one straight line, it's hypotenuse, Then this one, this is the perpendicular, right? It is forming the angle of 90 degree clearly. So this is right angle triangle. Okay, students? So we have discussed about the classifications of triangles now. Now students will be discussing about the what? Median of a triangle. Okay, students? By median I mean that अगर कोई भी साइड में ड्रॉ करूँ एक ट्राइंगल के अंदर और वो साइड ट्राइंगल के एक वर्टेक्स से उसके ऑपोजिट साइड के मिड पॉइंट को ज्वाइन कराए, ओके, तो उस साइड को मैं क्या बोलूँगी? उसका मीडियन बोलूँगी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो हैव अ क्लियर लुक एट दिस फिगर. दिस इज वन वर्टिसेस, ओके, दिस इज वन वर्टेक्स, ओके, एंड opposite to that vertex there lies the line segment BC, and on this line BC, D is the midpoint of this line, okay, and when I'm joining this vertex A with the midpoint of the opposite side of that vertex, okay, then that side formed is called median of the triangle, students. Okay, very simple, very easy. हमने क्या किया? सिंपली एक लाइन ड्रॉ की है एक वर्टेक्स से उसकी ऑपोजिट साइड के मिड पॉइंट से. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो उस साइड को हम क्या बोलते हैं? मीडियन बोलते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हैव अ लुक. द लाइन सेगमेंट AD इज द मीडियन बिकॉज दिस इज जॉइनिंग द वर्टेक्स A with the midpoint of side BC, and this is called median of the triangle. Okay students, now students have a look at the altitude of the triangle. By altitude of the triangle, students, we mean that in this we are drawing a side, okay, from any vertex to its opposite side such that it forms the 90-degree angle on the side it is joined. Okay students, so have a look. A, when it is made like, when A is extended in such a way that it forms 90-degree angle on the opposite side of this vertex, then that side is called altitude of the triangle. Okay, from all the vertices you can draw the altitude. Okay, for example, this is AD, and for example I'm drawing the altitude at like this. This is forming 90-degree angle, and this is CE. Okay, then BD and CE are also the altitude of the triangle. Okay students, have a look. An altitude has one end point at the vertex of the triangle, clearly one end at the vertex of the triangle, right, and the other on the line, okay, containing the opposite side of that vertex. Okay students, so through each vertex an altitude can be drawn. सीधी सी भाषा के अंदर अगर मैं आपको बताऊं तो हमने हर एक वर्टेक्स से हम कोई भी ऑल्टीट्यूड ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. करना क्या है? बस उस वर्टेक्स से एक लाइन खींचनी है उसकी ऑपोजिट साइड की तरफ, ओके, इस तरह से कि वो 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाए, बस. दैट इज कॉल्ड योर ऑल्टीट्यूड. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द कंसेप्ट ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 5.1. In our next class, we'll be doing the questions of exercise 5.1. Till then, students, do practice at your home. We'll be meeting in your next class. Have a nice day, all of you. Bye-bye.